Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo T1 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. Right, so first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is of course required to download something, and then let's enter the Play Store. If you're not currently logged in, if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to do it right now, and then simply tap on the circle which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all installed apps and games which I've got currently installed, basically. And if you want to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. As you can see, in my case, I've got only 2 available options. And basically, if you want to, you can update all of the apps which are listed here, or you can pick some. So I will pick, for example, the Spotify. And after marking those which you'd like to update, simply tap on this update icon. And as you can see, your device will right now download the update, and after that it will be immediately and automatically installed, so you do not really have to do anything, just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.